All right, ladies and gentlemen, look, we're here at the bait shop. We finna try to get some fish.
Fishes.
The last couple of days it was a storm, everything was flooded. We saw turtles, bass walking on the sidewalk. Caught a couple of...
Oh, I caught a turtle.
Caught a turtle. Caught a couple peas.
Yeah.
A big mouth.
Oh, yeah.
On some new baits. And we're headed out today, but I'll send in the link of... I'll put the picture of what the storm, what we're working with here. ETA is kind of messing with our game plan.
Oh, yeah.
But the sky looks crazy. It's really dark. This is the storm. That's the path of the storm. We're in the middle of the storm.
Not only did we get hit, we're gonna get hit again.
Right. Right. When Florida does it. We get hit by the same storm twice.
Turn left onto US 27 south.
Alright, we're peacock fishing today.
Oh yeah.
There's a storm coming. The weather feels real strange. There's like dew. Everything's saturated.
Yeah, everything's funky.
We had 18 inches of water rain. They said that that's the equivalent to 120 gallons per square meter. Think about that for a second. Every square meter, look, spillway. Every square meter has 120 gallons. That's like those 55-gallon tanks side by side.
Damn.
That's a lot of water. And the water level's super high.
Yeah, it is super duper high, man. It's freaky how high it is, man. I've never seen it like that before.
I wanted to make sure to record this face because we just found somewhere that looks very prospective.
Today. Very slow bite.
We're finished on our way back. Successful trip. Peacocks galore. Mudfish. A gar. A regular bass. Doubled up on a regular bass peacock. But the bite was soft.
Yeah.
The weather's affecting. Something's happening. It's even kind of eerily calm.
Yeah, the water's a little too high. The water levels, it's rained a little too much during the past couple of days.